Hi guys, I am Ishasha Rose. I have created this video to promote author Isha Shah. Ishta is the author and writer. She has completed her graduation from the one of the best universities at United States. She is author, inspirational speaker, writer and publisher. Till now, she has written 8 book titles of her books, which are following: Fashion Diaries, Fashionista, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me, Mindfulness and Stress Relief, Be a Dreamer, Confidence Produces a Strength, Positive Affirmations, The Magic of Thinking Big, Give Rise to Faith, and Precious Daily Insights. You will find all of her titles on Amazon.com website by searching Aisha Shah. The spell is AESHASHAH. My today's broadcast is all about create positive difference in the world. Guys, it's about author Aisha Shah's third book, Mindfulness and Stress Relief, which targets each and every age group of the people, and I am providing short preview of her third book, Mindfulness and Stress Relief. Do not hold on too hard. Nothing is permanent. Do not worry too much. Worry too much is a waste of time. I slept and dreamed that life was joy. I awoke and saw that life was service. I acted and behold, service was a joy. Instead of searching for a joy from what the world can give you, turn it around and give your services to the world. Take a moment and consider: 1. How am I serving others? 2. How can I contribute to what I want most from the world? May we all find a life of joy in serving others. In all things of nature, there is something of the marvelous. Do you feel the shift of energy? The days are longer and the sun is higher in the sky. There is a new energy emerging. It may not have reached you just yet, but give it a time as new ideas sprout. We feel ourselves being drawn to the light. New ideas must grow and serve in an expanded way. Our mind creates scenarios, and one thought feeds on another and creates distortion and fortune telling of disaster. We feel anxious, out of control, and extremely vulnerable. When we begin to experience the unknown, we start to believe we understand and feel more in control. So, what can we do to ensure that we do not keep going through the same anxiety and fear? What works for me is to take myself to the quiet place and roll out my yoga mat. I meditate and then allow my body to move through the emotions. My mat is like a magic carpet that takes me to a safe and loving place inside of me. I believe that all emotions are energy, and when we are able to use our breath and move our bodies in yoga, we allow the energy to move through us and release what is ready to be let it go. It is a wonderful thing to be able to be present with everything that is going on and surrender to it in our body and mind. Using the breath. Today, once again, I let go of wanting someone to be more like me. There is no right here, only finding a way to come together and help relieve suffering. Others may find that distraction works well to keep the mind otherwise occupied. Compassion and reassurance from the other also brings comfort. When we are in pain and struggling, it means so much to know we are really cared by someone. Okay, guys, I own nothing of author Aisha Shah. Each and every copyrights are under her authority. I purchased her 8 book titles, read it, and inspired my life. And I wanted you guys to do not miss out on reading these beautiful books. You guys will love it. For more info, check link below. See ya, guys. Take care. I love you all. Have a great moment of your life. May God bless you all. Amen.